Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an updated tour of my office space. Last time you saw this space was December 2020. The video was recently uploaded. I was in the process of converting a bedroom into an office space. So come along, take a tour, and maybe you'll like what you see. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, and also share it with your friends and family. And just keep the sharing going. Let's share some love. Come on in. This is me entering from the hallway into the space. And this is what it's looking like. I will do a quick pan around so that you can see what the room is looking like from standing in the doorway. I am looking to update the area rug in here as there is no silver/gray in this room. I am in the process of looking for a room that has a little bit of gold in it, maybe. I'll know what I want when I see it. How about that, guys? All right, and that's my little hallway. That's the doorway as you enter the room, and that's what it's looking like right there in that hallway. Here's the door to the room. Over here, you're going to see a little situation right there, along with the standalone fireplace. It is electric. And then you're going to see my television to keep me entertained when I'm in here working. Over here, you're going to see a Steelers trash can. I am a Steelers fan. Steeler Nation, baby. Woohoo! And then you'll see my little bar set up here with a couple of snacks on there. I am still in the process of looking for decor for this wall, which is the wall above the TV. On the side that where you enter the room, there's the door. And this is what this wall is looking like so far, which that is above the little bar area right there. There will be some minor updates coming to this room soon, but I think this video has been prolonged long enough, so I did want to do a quick video today. Now I have this little chair and pillow on either side of this little I don't know, cabinet that you have here. There is a refrigerator in there that houses wine and water for my guests that may visit me, and we sit in here and we talk or do some work. My cousin has a channel. Her name is Michelle Lynn. Go on over and check her out and let her know that Prissy Chick sent you. And she does come over and help me with my YouTube things. And so we sit in this room and drink a little bit of wine and when she's here. Now, this little situation right here, I am looking for another one to go on that wall in that little empty space there. I purchased that from Burlington and it was the only one that they had. I was thinking that I could find it online or that they would eventually get a second one that I can purchase. And I have not had any luck with that as of yet. So we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I'm going to go on around here. I'm going to step back and let you guys see the size of that window. Again, this is a bedroom. That was a guest bedroom. My house is pretty large and it's just the two of us here, my husband and myself. So I decided to make use of some space that was not getting used. And that's what it's looking like over there. And you see that this does have a glass top on it. I'm going to open up this so you guys can see that there is a refrigerator in there. And as I stated, it does work really, really well. And it does house some water and some wine. Uh-oh, sorry guys. It closed before I could get you in there. There you go. And it gets really, really, really cold. And on this side, it just has some books and other work things in this side. So I'm going to step back this way. and let you guys get a view from this side. And again, if you haven't noticed, the pop of color for this room is pink. You'll see the pink there. You'll also see the melts are pink, and also the rock lamp is pink. You'll see other pops of pink. Again, my biker name is Prissy Chick, so you see it under my Steelers towel there. I am not going to do a view of my desk from this area right now because I do have some mail sitting there that has my address on it. I am not savvy with this YouTube thing yet, so I don't know how to edit. So right now, you're going to be getting a raw, uncut video without editing, okay? Oh, there you go. Again, I'm going to do a quick pan around. And again, just house my laptop. Now, that chair is a full-size chair, and it actually lifts up. I have it lowered so that it slides under there and looks neat and cohesive in this room. But when I slide it out, I do lift it there. And again, there you go. Now, if anybody's wondering about this little thing right here, I actually ordered 2 love boxes from Sharon. She's so fabulous here on YouTube. This is one of the things that came in one of my boxes that says get on my level. And I thought it was so cute, and the gold and white goes with the theme of the room. Again, the pop of color is pink. This booklet right here, which I have yet to write in, actually came from Sharon She's So Fabulous as well in one of the love boxes. Now, one other thing that came from Sharon She's So Fabulous was this little keychain here. And I've always had it here for the last couple of years since I received my love box. It was sentimental because I absolutely love Sharon She's So Fabulous. So, just so you can get a closer look there. And I do write on this dry erase board, guys. I've just cleared it right now so that I can do this video. And again, my husband and I do ride motorcycles, and that was a trophy that he won one night. And because red was my favorite color, I decided I'd put it in here for now. Now, there are going to be a few updates coming to this room, i.e. one, the area rug and some wall decor. Then I just have my handy dandy shredder there. One last pan around of the room to let you see from this angle. Okay. And again, I'm not gonna touch too much on my desk from this angle because of the mail that I do have sitting there. I do want to protect that privacy. And if anybody's wondering, guys, I am in Georgia. It is absolutely gorgeous outside today. And again, that's as you enter and exit the room out into my hallway. You can see that little bench situation that we sit on and put on our shoes so that we're not walking on the carpet with our shoes on. Try to protect the carpet as much as possible because my husband is the one that does the carpet cleaning around here. So there's slightly a view here of this desk. And the desk is huge, guys. It is absolutely huge. And it is granite. It weighs so much. My husband and my neighbor took them a couple of hours to figure out how to get this heavy, huge desk in here. But I had to have it alone. I purchased the desk. I purchased a desk here, that cabinet there, and both those 2 chairs at the same time from the same furniture place. And I absolutely love that decision and the color of the room. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today, checking out my 2020 updated tour of my office. I hope you guys saw something that you like. If you liked anything, go ahead, give me some positive feedback or constructive criticism. If there was something that you did not like, we always welcome that as well. However, we do ask that it's positive. All right. Well, thank you guys again for stopping by my channel. You have a great day. Until next time, bye bye.